The Moto X4 is water resistant, has NFC, expandable memory and dual rear cameras. Motorola's variant comes with tons of useful software tricks. Motorola's high-end phones pack punch, but entry-level and mid-price Android devices are where this phonemaker really shines. With the Moto X4, the company has another mid-range winner that gives you some pretty great hardware and software tricks for a reasonable price. See below. It gets a bit complicated. Though sadly it's no longer customizable like Moto X's of years past, the Moto X4 is an attractive, sleek-looking phone. It comes in black and silver and it looks so glossy that it reminds me of the liquid metal version of T-1000 in Terminator. Speaking of liquid, the phone's rated IP68 for water resistance, meaning it can survive in about 3 feet of water, 1 meter, for up to 30 minutes. I dunked it in a 5-gallon bucket for 28 minutes, 3 times, and it kept working just fine. Lots of software goodies, lots of assistance. If you buy the Moto X4 from Motorola and Amazon, you'll get a cool new feature called Moto Key. Unfortunately, this doesn't come in the Google Fi version. This lets you use your fingerprint to unlock third-party apps and devices like Twitter, Facebook and your PC laptop. If you sign out of your accounts all the time, you'll definitely this useful. It does take a beat to unlock, but it's more convenient than typing out your username and password each time. You can also connect up to 4 Bluetooth devices at once, so you can hook up a stereo setup or listen to music on wireless headphones.